Welcome to 319 Farm and Outdoors. This is a story of 4 teenagers on a journey to do something most of their peers have never done: start a self-sustaining farm.
There's just one problem. We're not 100% sure we know what we're doing. That's where he comes in, along with some helpful guides along the way.
Just because we don't have all the answers and we don't have it all figured out doesn't mean we can't try. So we made a plan to start learning from other YouTubers and farmers who are way ahead of us. Even some of our friends will join us along the way to help us on this path.
We'll probably make some mistakes, but we can't wait until we get to enjoy the real organic food that we raised and grew by the sweat of our brow. That's where our name comes from, Genesis 3:19. Who knows, maybe you'll get to enjoy it too. Follow our journey at 319 Farm and Outdoors.
So as you might have seen, we finished our first project just a few days ago. It was our rabbit tractor, and today we're on to our next project, which is meat chickens. What we're going to be filming today is how we're building our chicken tractor. So it has the same idea as the rabbit tractor, to where we'll be able to move them wherever we want. So our chickens will be grass-fed and they will be organic. We got the idea for the tractor from a YouTuber. His name is Stoney Ridge Farmer, and we can link the video down in the description below so you can see how he did it and kind of more of the specifics. But basically it's just PVC pipe and then chicken wire around it and a tin roof on top for protection. So yeah, we're super excited about it and we hope you guys enjoy.
Alright, so Caitlin is taking a break for a moment and we have finished gluing all the PVC pipe together. Now we're going to start attaching the chicken wire to all this, basically skirting the whole thing, and then we'll go from there. So I'm actually using some self-piercing screws, and there's some extra washers that are that we're adding to this just for additional support, I suppose. So I'm gonna bring it around where you're at, honey, so I can put it right there. Can you hold that up there, Caitlin, in place? Because if he's wanting to fall back in my face.
She got it working.
Good. Okay.
It's like right when it breaks through, it goes in really
Yep.
easy.
Slow down.
Keep going.
I'm trying.
Push! Good job.
All right, y'all, this is it's awesome. We're getting, look at all the snow we're getting. We're out here at the farm. I'm really not doing any work yet. We built the chicken tractor, but I just thought I'd show you guys this. I thought this was awesome. It's our first snow of the year. Chickens are going bananas. So here we go, guys. I don't know why it's coming out so white, so bright, you know. I don't know how to do all this stuff. This is new to me, but there we go. We'll figure it out a little bit. There we go. That's better. You can see my freckles now. But yeah, like I said, I'm getting ready to go deliver. We were gonna go ahead and finish the chicken tractor today build, but I got a phone call from all these customers saying they want eggs, they want eggs, they want eggs. So I'm on my way now to go get some eggs. But I thought I'd show you guys. Look at all the snow. This is crazy. We've been asking for snow, you know, this whole year, but now we got it. You know, last year in early September, we had over a foot in one day. We had 16 inches, I believe, and the record was 19 back in 1991 or 2 or 3, one of those years. I mean, you can see it's pretty cool. All right, guys, here we are. It snowed a little bit today. We got a fire going.
24.
How many?
24.
24. We got 2 dozen today. Wow.
24 hours later.
We're going to be cutting this. It's a 1 inch to a 2 inch. We're going to use a table saw to cut this down the middle, and I'll show you here in a minute what we're trying to do. This is what happened. We came over here and we had the same problem that Stoney Ridge Farm had. When you put the 5-gallon bucket here of water and then 25 pounds of feed over there, this tends to do this. See that? It moves. So what we're trying to do is put a support right here and one over there to help support, give it strength right here. So here we go. Now I take this and this is what it looks like. See that? Look, show you. Now we come over here, we'll move this wire out of the way. And this is what it'll look like. It'll go right here, either on this side or that side. You see how it cups it really nice, right? We go level with this. We lift this up a little bit. All right, and there you go. There you have it. Now, look at this. That ain't going nowhere. I will do that in the middle of all 4 sides to give it some strength. This is a pretty big tractor, to be quite honest with you. I measured it and it comes out to be like 11 and a half by 10 and a half. All right, so we'll get them all ready now. These are all the pieces for all the sides. I wish I had a bandsaw. I feel more comfortable with a bandsaw than a table saw. But I got to work with what I got, okay? This is all new to us, but we learn from our mistakes, and we want to make this a safe place to fail for our kids. And at the end of the day, they reap the rewards. We want to put it here. And we want to put it here. Put it back in there. Put that on my finger. And then make sure this is dry. We'll make sure this is dry. And then we go for the gusto. We do the bottom first. Alright, so we'll do this. Everywhere down here. Get a little more. And we'll go everywhere in here. We want to make sure that there's a lot. There's no. And then we want to go like this. All over here. And then we do this. Like that. And then we'll move on to the next one here. Oops. I think I messed up. It's okay. I messed up. I should have done both at the same time. But you know what, we're learning, and this stuff sets pretty fast, pretty quick. So we're hoping it doesn't set too quick on me. There we go. Here we go, and then we do this. Just in case. We'll do that. Just in case. I'll put some here just in case. There. And some right here just in case. That's it. There goes your support. I can even do another one right here just to make sure. Bada boom, bada bing. Forget about it. There you go. That's going nowhere. Alright, next. Becoming a little bit more of a pain in the tuchus than I thought.
Oi.
It's kind of early in the morning and the dew hasn't really melted off these things, and it's just causing just a lot of trouble, like the glue to run, and I'm having to screw it in, so I need to be a little bit more patient with this stuff. Let's see how it goes. All right, guys. You see the finished product?
Oh.
Walk it around. What do you guys think? What do you think, Sam?
Looks pretty good.
Do you approve?
Hey, Mom.
You approve?
Yeah.
All right. So if he approves, then we're good with it.